In today's lesson, we're going to work more with subtracting 3-digit numbers. To do this, we're going to work on a word problem here. Mike and Linda are playing a game. Mike has 528 points, and Linda has 341 points. How many more points does Mike have than Linda? Well, how many more is what the problem's asking me. How many more points? And I know that how many more means subtracting. And then take the 2 point totals, 528 and 341. That's what I know. Make sure I'm not overlooking anything in the problem. 528. So this is a very straightforward one-step problem. 341. Make sure you line up your place values. Ones, ones, tens, tens, hundreds, hundreds. Subtract. And I'm ready to get started, and just to let you know, today we're not going to do the place value blocks like we did yesterday. Instead, we're going to check our answer using, I'll tell you in a minute. Let's first come up with an answer. 8 minus 1, that is 7. 2 minus 4, I can't do that. And I realized I made a mistake in setting up my problem. I didn't leave enough space to regroup. Luckily, on Mimeo, I can just slide it all down real quick. 2 minus 4, can't do. So, got to regroup, take 100, now I'm down to 4 hundreds, and that 100 comes over and becomes 10 more tens, so I don't have just 2, I have 12 tens. And I can do 12 minus 4, and that's 8, and 4 minus 3 is 1. And 187, look back to my problem, and it says how many more points? Well, that would be 187 points. And finally, let's check. And think, how can I check this? Well, you can check subtraction by adding. What do I add? Well, I know that in addition, your sum will be the biggest. So I look at these three numbers and see 528 is the largest, so that's supposed to be my sum. That means I'm going to add the other two together. 341 plus 187. And remember, in addition, the order doesn't matter. In subtraction, it does matter. Make sure you always have the bigger number on top, but in addition, it doesn't. Now 341 plus 187. 1 plus 7 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, so I'll put a 2 down here. I'll regroup that 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And sorry about that, there's an announcement on the loudspeaker. You probably heard the beep. And anyways, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and we have 528. We check this, it matches. So we kind of have a big fact family here. 528 minus 341 equals 187. 341 plus 187 equals 528. And that is how you subtract 3-digit numbers and then check your answer using addition. Your assignment today, I want you to work on page 93 and just solve for me 4 problems. It will be just numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 through 4. This is your assignment for today. Come into class with this done, ready to go over it, and do some more subtracting.